Greens one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. This is another Facebook topic I wanted to talk about. It was defending yourself. Well, it was a lady. She posted, "How do you defend yourself at camp without a firearm?" And she was specific. Now I want to touch on, I love firearms. I mean, if given a blank check, I could probably go buy 4 to 5 just right off the top of my head. You know, the one I want, maybe a Glock or 2, and then the Beretta 9mm I wouldn't mind getting, just because I like it. That's at least 4 right off the spot. And of course all the accessories go with it. The only reason I don't own one or take one in the woods with me is because all I have is a 22, and that's not really going to do much to anything. But I personally don't feel like I need one. But, you know, it's whatever your own comfort level is. Which is ironic because I got gunshots going off behind me. Come on, guys. Reload. So her question was, how do you defend yourself without a firearm? And several people had said knife. But my problem with the knife is, and I'm no expert, I mean, like, farthest thing from an expert, so this is mostly opinion. Excuse me. You know, with a knife, you've got to really get close quarters. I mean, you've got to get within arm's reach. And then you got to be, seems to me, you got to be willing enough, and have the mental fortitude enough to stab another person. I don't know if I could do it. I've never had to, and nor have I ever been in the position to. You know, maybe just pulling it out and flipping it open, which this one's a little hard to flip open, but... Well, my other one I could flip it open, no problem, but... It might be a little scare tactic. And you're like, oh crap. But, I mean, they could be on drugs and you're bound and determined to get you, so... You know, I'm not sure a firearm would stop them, because I watched a video where a lady cop was shooting a bad guy who was charging her with a knife, and she shot him 9 times, and he kept coming. And at one point, he got so close to her, she was actually able to push him away and continued shooting. And he still wasn't down. Like, damn. So, who knows what he was on? So, where was I going with this? Oh, so what would I do if it was me? If you can, maybe get a dog. Having a dog might be a good thing to get, because, you know, the dog will growl, kind of giving you an early warning, like, hey, someone's coming, you know. Unless your dog is the lick everybody to death kind, when it's probably not going to growl, but, you know, the dogs could alert their presence to you ahead of time. I would probably go with pepper spray. Seems pretty effective. I mean, at the very least, you could hit them in the eyes, and while they're momentarily distracted, you go to the car, you jump in, you're gone, hopefully. And maybe a walking stick that you can, you know, hit them in the eyes, or poke them in the throat or something. Because I would think getting away would be the most important, not standing your ground and going toe to toe with them, because they could be faster, stronger. Who knows? So, yeah, I'd probably do that. Probably some kind of spray. But even the sprays have downside out here, because if the wind is hitting you in the face, that spray is going to come right back at you. And that could be bad. So, get sprayed by your own pepper spray. And I don't know if they're going to... I doubt they'd stand there while you position yourself downwind. Although if you wore glasses, though, and if you had optics, you had glasses on, like you wear prescription glasses, they might give you, maybe, I don't know, they might give you some protection, but... So I don't know. If anybody has any thoughts on the matter, comment below. I'd be curious to see what you have to say. Like I said, I'm no expert. I'm just Kind of throwing it out there because it was on my mind. Probably be a little side video that I'll do. So, alright. Thanks for watching as always. Look forward to your comments. I'll catch you on the next one.